Welcome back to my channel. I know today's video is a little bit different because I don't normally do hairstyles like this, like very few. I feel like I do a lot of long hairstyles, and this is actually one of my most beginner friendly wigs that I ever have because it's a nice length and it's also a 4x4. I thought we already went past the 4x4 stage, but I feel like there's a lot of people that are not confident in doing a frontal and the bigger laces. So this lace is a 4x4. It stops right here, and today I'm just going to show you how I put it on and style it. This is giving very much grown and sexy, so this is for more of like a mature audience. Even if you're in high school and you want to do like a cute little 1-2 that you can throw on your head in the morning to go to school, because I know we live in a different time and you guys be wearing wigs, slaying wigs to go to school. So yeah, I decided to come today. I'm wearing a top, but it's kind of small, so it's falling down. So yeah, I decided to come today to show you guys this wig, and today's wig is a collaboration with Julia Hair. I do a lot of collaborations with Julia Hair because they really be coming through for me. So I'm gonna show you guys how I put this wig on and styled it, and I'm also gonna have all the links to this wig down below if you're interested. So yeah, let's get right into this video. It's gonna be super quick and easy. I don't have much to say. Let's get started.
Right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, Erickaj. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Oh my, all the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting closer. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even find like I'll miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Oh my, all the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' room room. Niggas just boom boom boom. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Inside a new Maybach coupe in the butter jelly. I'm slide in the road, slide in the lamb, slide in the bin. Been working on my confidence and respect. I get a lot of it. I don't ever mean that contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us. Tryna pour another cup with us. Need my brother sip mud with me. My bitch is a 10, my dad in the wind, I fought at the wind. My dog just caught another body, now he poppin' Xannies again. Caught his ass slipping at the cul-de-sac. Sliding on the Oslo and toe tag. Just in Miami, I was chillin' with a Zozak. In the Rolls Royce, I don't need a low jack. Keep the 45, I had to hold it. Gotta ride with it, cause I'm chosen. I just pulled up, won't let me land. Playing dice with mustard, bet it on the photo tee. I remember wondering what I'm gonna eat. Pull up that Bentley with no key. I've been on top for a while. Last I chip it to the moon. Fast car make one room. Niggas just boom boom boom. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Inside a new Maybach coupe in the butter jelly. I'm sliding in the road, sliding in the lamb, sliding in the bin. But working on my confidence and respect, I get a lot of it. I don't ever mean to contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us. Mud, see me no more. Niggas talk shit, but they never ever knew us. I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip it to the moon. That's how I make gon' boom, 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 boom. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scary. Bought a big paddock with a brand new set. Inside a new Maybach coupe.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please comment some other videos that you guys want me to do down below. I really wanted to come and show you guys this wig because it's super low maintenance and it's so pretty. It's soft and it has like a natural density, so it's not too full. I hate when like closure wigs and stuff are too full because then it looks so unnatural, but this one is nice and airy, so even if it's hot outside, you're not gonna feel hot because it's not too much hair on the unit. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Julia Hair. I will have their links in my description box below, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.